Hey guys, welcome back, and today spoiled slime. I'm nearly dead. I didn't mean to pause the video and I'm like nearly dead now. And Tashi and Gary's are dead. Oh, there they are. Yay, guys, let's all stick together. Garrus, you're nearly dead and you only just joined the game. This says a lot. This says the zombies like you in the bad way. Oh no, they're attacking. No, they're attacking her. They're attacking her. They're attacking her. They're attacking her. They're literally attacking her. They like, I died. Let's see if I come a zombie because I haven't done that yet. Oh. Why did somewhere? Oh, I'm back. Yeah, the angels are really bad. Where are you? You're in the middle. Oh, Alana's on. Alana's speaking with us. Yeah, come on, Roblox. Yeah, you get Roblox now. My viewers are all watching you. Get on you. They're killing her. No. Zombie thing game. Oh, I'm nearly dead. Oh my god, it's not letting me speak. You guys saw me type that in. Don't say my game's froze. Right, I'll have to join you back, guys. Oh, no. Right, we're all here. Most of us. Well, I'm not game yet. Yeah, my game keeps frozen. You find this? Do you think this is a crap game? Oh my god, this is. Oh my god, I'm nearly dead, guys. Richly, I'm gonna die any second. Can we find a play different game? Guys, you say this is a boring game. Tashi's bored as well. Karis, Tashi's bored as well. So should we just all play a different game? I'm not bored of the game. I haven't played it yet. You said you was bored and you want to play a different game. Tashi nearly died. No. Oh, pistol's fine. I'm helping Tashi because her health is down. My god, no, you cannot kill Tashi. You're not allowed to kill Tashi. No one's allowed to kill Tashi. No one is allowed to kill my friends. Like, no. Oh no, I died! You died because you saved Tashi. I was saving you as well. I was saving all of you because you were all surrounded by Tashi. Right. Hey guys. I won't kill you. Hey guys. It's me, guys. Don't worry. Don't kill me. It's me, but you. Oi, stop shooting me. Stop shoot. That guy, you know that guy? He shot me. Oh, wave cleared. Oh my god, I'm gonna help you, Karis. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Shoo. Shoo, shoo. The angel's following you. I feel sorry for you. The zombies like you in the bad way. Oh my god, tank demons, you're in trouble. You nearly had 2 tank demons then, Karis. I got a tank demon, and I got a tank zombie, and I got a lava zombie. This ain't great. And I got oh my god, like everything. I got everything. Apart from them void zombies. I got everything, guys. Don't worry. Oh, they're going after someone else. Enjoy. I just leveled up to 88. I feel so happy. Guys, comment in below if you like this game. If you don't, we won't play it, but we'll still play it, just not like on videos. 'Cause I love this game. If you cannot see, I love this game. I play it too. Oh my god, Alana, I'm killing zombies for you too. Beast! Do not let the beast touch you. The beast is after me. Oh my god. Thank you. Yay! Oh my god, I got like I have 70k. No, 7.13k. I got 2008 kills. That's how you know that you play it too much. Karis, I'm helping you. Right, I'm AFK. Karis, will you save my life while I'm AFK? I'm going AFK for a second.
If they come behind you, I can't because I'm trying to.
Yes, fine.
Oh no, I can't.
I'm just gonna walk around while having a look. Can I? Oh, I know I can't afford it yet. No. Where are you guys? I'm stopped AFK now. Anyone following you guys? Oh my god, demon. Oh my god, demon. I'm helping you, banana girl. I'm helping you. No, you can't go in the corner. That's how you die. You just trapped yourself. Karis, you okay? You look a little bit cold. Oh, it's gone now. I tried to make something funny. And then the ice just like leaves. Wow. I didn't even notice that was behind me. Bloody hell. Karis, I'm gonna try to save you. I helped you. I look a little bit cold. And you do, Karis. You look a little bit cold. Karis, go hide. I'm your bodyguard. My gun won't stop shooting. Literally, my gun won't stop shooting. Okay, my gun wouldn't stop shooting then. Boss, get a high level ground, please. Oh my god, and it just... It's a slime. We'll get that in no time. Oh my god, it's Banana Girl and Sashi mixed together. No! I didn't even see that come in. Oh my god, they're gonna die. I'm trying to help. No, you're not yet. If you wonder, oh no. My screen just like split. Oh. Quick, Karis! He's coming! Oh my god, my arm is like aching because I've been pressing the button too much. Okay, shoot your laser beams at me. My arm is like too achy to play this game anymore. That's step number 3 that you've been playing this game too much. Your arm aches. Been playing this game about 3 hours before I recorded it, okay? Tash, you got a knife, watch out. She'll kill everyone. Right, after this boss fight, should we play a different game? Yeah. It's nearly done. We're gonna get loads of XP off this. Whew. Too many. Kill, 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 kill. Woo. Oh my god. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Just don't kill me. Just don't kill me. Kill everyone else but me. Apart from my friends. Oh my god, I'm so close to dying. Right. Guys, we're gonna hop into another server, well, game now. Okay, bye.
Someone. I got something. I don't know.
Right, guys, you won the game, all of you. Where's Natasha? Right, let me go get Natasha.
Oh my god, I got a key card. I was just following the police and I got one.
You got key cards?
Yeah.
You just killed me. And I said, "Well."
Guys, come to
I just glitched onto the map. All my viewers see this. I glitched onto the map.
Guys.
Have a great look under the map, guys. Look, guys. This is what under the map. This is how you create good game. No, actually no. I'm gonna stop these glitches. Yeah, it says a sad face. You know what? You shouldn't lock me in.
Wait, please.
It's like nothing here.
Wait,
Nothing
please.
here. Let me through. If you don't know what we are playing. Oh, let me just. Boop, 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 boop. No, we're not playing that. Let me just get to it. We're playing. Wait for it to load. This game. You'll have to wait for it to load. This jailbreak. We're playing jailbreak. Jailbreak.
I'll go.
Can I go through now? Yay.
I got a helicopter.
Well, you got a helicopter already. What?
No, I'll go and get a helicopter.
Oh, you are keycards. All I see is floating heads. This is normal. Banana girl, I'm sorry. I don't know where I'm going. Might be bumping into people, but I don't even know where I'm going. I see you are nothing right now. Oh, you're loading in. You're loading in. Slowly loading in. Banana girl. Oh my god, you have a key card. You both have a key card without me.
I didn't get the key card.
Oh.
Guys, I'll go and get a helicopter now. And then you guys gotta get key cards and then.
Okay, this might be a bit boring, so I'm gonna pause it. Shout out to Helmy Come for giving us all key cards. Thank you. By the way.
She's nice.
Yeah, she's really nice, by the way.
Can I have my £1,000 now?
Yes. I took her off it because she was gonna give it to this guy. Right, let's go and sell, come on.
Oh, you guys.
And a sell. Because she was gonna give this boy. Is it 1,000, yeah?
Yeah. No, you took 2,000.
No, I took 1,000.
How much
You got
money
it?
did you have? I gave him 1,000 then Casey took the other 1,000. I was gonna have a key card, but now I only got.
See, it's not worth it giving him 1,000.